Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Derek Timmons here with Maverick Group and CIR Realty, and I'm coming to you with a video that's very special to us. We are taking some time to outline the processes of buying and selling a house, and we're going to do a step-by-step series so that you can learn one step at a time what it takes in this market to buy a house and sell a house. But specifically right now, we're going to do the buying process. So first step of buying a home is obviously you want to find a realtor. That's very important. You're going to need to find a professional that you like, that you trust, that knows what they're doing, knows the market around them. But after that, you need to know your numbers. Okay, that's the first step in this process. Now, should you get a pre-approval? Yes, I highly recommend you get a pre-approval. They aren't 100% necessary. You can still buy a house without a pre-approval, but the reason a pre-approval is going to be very beneficial is that you know where you can start looking. If you're pre-approved for 500,000, you're going to look at 450 to 500 as an absolute max. Keeping in mind that in the market that we're in, most houses are going to sell over that list price. So it's very crucial for the first step of a buying process to know your numbers. Okay. If you have that figured out, you can make a game plan and get it set in place so that your time is effective and you can be competitive in this market. Now, stay tuned for this series. We're going to keep sending it out, the whole process, start to finish, on what it's like to buy a home. If you have questions at any time, you can reply to this email or reach out to us, whatever platform you're watching this on. You get in touch with us and we'd be happy to chat with you. That's it for now. I hope you guys have a nice day.